Good day everyone, especially to you Sir Bergayo. In this video, I will discuss major art movements and painting techniques from the classical period to modern period. Art has changed through many periods, each with its own ideas, techniques, and style. Classical movements focus on realistic details, human beauty, and strong painting methods that shape early art tradition. Modern movements introduce new ways of seeing the world, using bold colors, abstract forms, and and emotional expressions. Each movement reflects the beliefs and creativity of the artist during in its time. Understanding these movements help us appreciate how art continues to grow and inspire people today. So, classical movements and techniques. First is naturalism. Naturalism shows subject in a very realistic and life-like way. Artists studies nature and the human body to make their work look real. For example, Leonardo da Vinci, Mona Lisa, which looks natural and detailed. And the second is humanism. Humanism focuses on human being, their abilities, and their beauty. Artists show the human body as strong, important, and valuable. Michelangelo's David is a good example because it celebrates human strength and perfection. Third is fresco painting. Fresco painting is done of wet plaster, usually on walls. The color become part of the wool as they dry, making the artwork last long time. Jeto's Lamentation is a clear example of fresco storytelling. And the fourth is tempera painting. Tempera uses egg yolk mixed with pigments, which dries quickly. It creates a smooth line and bright but soft color. Botticelli's Silis that the bird of Venus shows the clean details typically of tempera. And the fifth one is oil painting. Oil painting is dry slowly and allows artists to add many layers and fine details. It creates rich colors and realistic textures. Van X are not finite. Portraits show how oil paint capture light, fabrics, and reflections. And for the modern art movements, first is Impressionism. Impressionism captured quick moments, lights, and other scenes. Artists are use lost brushstroke and soft color. Monet's impressions. Sunrise is a good example of the style. Second is post-impressionism. Post-impressionism reacts to by adding stronger emotion and bold color. Artist focuses more on personal feeling. Van Gogh's Starry Night shows this through its swirling lines and intense color. And the last one is pop art uses image from media, advertising, and everyday life. So the last one is pop art. Pop art uses image from media, advertising, and everyday life. It makes ordinary objects like bold and important. Warhol's Campbell Stopkins is a clear example. The arts movements that resonates with me. So the art movement that resonates with me most in Impressionism because of its calming color and focus on everyday moment. Because of the dreamlike creativity. The movement stands out to me because it aligns with how I see art as a way to express emotions and imagination. I like Impressionism because it feels like calm and peaceful. The soft color and light brushstroke make the scenes look relaxing and natural. It shows beauty in a simple, everyday moment which makes the art easy to connect with.